Good afternoon, global students. I wanted to really quickly kind of talk about a couple of things here. I received a few questions about peer reviewing, so I want to go through and talk about what you're doing today. All right. You are going to be going to the document that says Global Issue Essay Peer Revised Document. You are going to be sharing your essay with somebody else. It does not matter what cohort they're in. It actually does not matter if they have me either. They can have Mr. Martini or Mr. Gallagher. They are going to open up this document. It's in the folder for this week. And as you can see, the instructions are pretty clear. Put in the notability. When you're finished revising your partner's paper, you will email it to them. And it asks a few questions. How many paragraphs? Describe the paragraphs. Go through and talk about the analysis, transition words. When they fill this out and read your paper, they are going to then email it to you. You will do the same thing for their paper. So peer revising is similar to peer editing. It does not mean you're finished. It does not mean that they're going through and doing the work for you. They're going to give you some suggestions to go and fix. That's what we're doing today, and that's what we are doing tomorrow on Tuesday. Just a reminder, your essay's final draft, final copy, is going to be due on Friday, and you will notice that I do have a link in there. Thank you. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.